Hi everyone. Okay, so I made these crystal stones with potassium alum. It's a great project to do with kids. It's fun and you always get you grow different shapes. If you're interested to know how I did this, let me know in the comments below. As you can see, you can make different shapes. They just grow. They're fantastic. You never know what you're going to get. I'm going to be making 2 crystal molds. I'm going to try 2 different shapes. Just find a tin you can fit them in. I'll be using Resin silicone 1:1 and you must weigh it. I decided to add some bottles to some of the silicone, thinking I was being bright and smart, even adding some white tack so the crystal wouldn't move. The bottles were there just to help me save on some silicone. So I poured the silicone from pretty high and just pour it. It will release the bubbles by itself. And then this happened.
I am so smart, I totally forgot to fill the bottles with some weight.
Yep. Moving on. In this second mold, I used some tack to hold down the crystal. Pour the silicone from high up and tap to release bubbles. Then leave to cure for a good 24 hours. I demolded the crystals offline because I totally forgot to push the record button. So to make the crystals, I'm using Resin Deep Pour 2:1. Make sure you scrape the sides and stir for a good 4 minutes. We'll be using this spectacular powder by Resin. It's called Non-Sync Aurora. I'm obsessed with it. I added a pea-sized amount of the powder to the resin. Make sure you mix it well. As you can see, it needs help. Push it against the cup to break down the powder. Otherwise, if it's not well mixed, it will leave little bits of unmixed powder. So take your time. Once you're ready, pour the resin into the mold and tap the mold to help release any bubbles. Did I tell you how in love I am with this Aurora powder? It's from Resin. Check their page out, you're going to love it. Demolding time. Our favourite. I love these. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.